Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric screwdriver that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SKIL 4V cordless screwdriver SD561201. This compact SKIL 4V cordless screwdriver is made for quick fixes and small projects. It includes circuit sensor tech to stop stripping screws and 9 bits plus a holder. The USB charging cable keeps it ready and portable. I like how light it feels in hand and how fast it spins compared to manual drivers. The tool suits daily home tasks like tightening hinges and installing shelves. As one of the best electric screwdriver with rechargeable battery options, it balances safety and power. The short charge time and easy bit swap make routine jobs faster and less painful for hobbyists and homeowners alike. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SKIL Twist 2.0 Pivot Head SD561902. The SKIL Twist 2.0 adds a pivoting head and torque settings for more reach and control. It ships with a 28-piece bit set and a USB-C cable. I found the pivot handy for tight corners and the torque dial useful to avoid stripping delicate screws. It stands out as a top option among the best electric screwdriver with rechargeable battery tools for people who need versatility. The case keeps bits organized and the USB-C charging is fast. This model blends reach, control, and useful accessories for general home and hobby use. At number 3, we have the SKIL 4V screwdriver 45 PCS kit SD561204. This SKIL model bundles a 45-piece bit set and a carrying case for broad coverage. The 4V motor works well for furniture assembly and light repairs. I liked having many bit options ready for different screws and small jobs. As a full kit, it ranks among the best electric screwdriver with rechargeable battery choices for people who want a one-stop set. The cable charges via USB and the case keeps parts organized. It is great for first-time tool buyers who value variety and easy charging without extra purchases. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics 4V cordless stick driver. The Amazon Basics by SKIL stick screwdriver is a straightforward, value-focused tool with a 10-piece bit set. It charges via USB and stays slim for easy storage. I found it a smart choice when budget and simplicity matter more than extras. This driver is a solid contender among the best electric screwdriver with rechargeable battery picks for people who want a no-frills, reliable option. It handles everyday tightening and light installs well. If you want a compact driver that hides in a drawer and is ready fast, this is a sensible buy. And finally, at number 1, we have the SKIL 4V cordless SD561801. The SKIL SD561801 is a compact 4V cordless screwdriver with a 9-bit set and bit holder. It offers safe handling and quick USB charging for everyday tasks. I liked its smooth trigger and balanced weight for steady control. This model is a dependable pick in the lineup of best electric screwdriver with rechargeable battery tools for light to medium home jobs. The simple kit works well for installing fixtures and small repairs. It blends ease of use with reliable charge cycles for routine DIY needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.